Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to block someone on Discord. So first, you just have to open your Discord and look for that specific server here. For example, if you want to block someone from the server, all you have to do is to click their profile or name. Right click to be exact, and then look for block. And that's how you block someone on Discord when you're using your laptop or desktop. So when it comes to mobile phone, same thing, go to that specific server and look for that person's name. Okay, so let's just say you want to block this person here. You just have to tap this three dots till you see that block option there. So tap block. As easy as that. Now, what happens if you block this person on Discord? After blocking someone on Discord, a few things happen. Initially, their messages to you will vanish. Their list of friends will be cleared. And if you're on the same Discord server, their messages will be hidden. They won't be able to contact you, ping you, send you messages, or alert you by mentioning your username on a server. As easy as that. So that's how you block someone on Discord using your PC, laptop, or your mobile. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.